Today we're going to bring a wireless shutter remote, and this is perfect for those that own a lot of the Canon machines. Just make sure you look at the details on what type of machines you can actually use, what kind of cameras you can use. So pretty much this is what you get. You get two different types of ribbons, all right? And they're pretty much the same. Some have different inputs, if you guys can see that. It has a 3-prong connection for the different models. And then of course, the little small connection, which is 2.5, I believe it is. So or 3.5 connection, but these are actually smaller, so we're going to set these up. They give you the remotes. All right, this one does require battery. It requires 2 AA batteries. All right, just make sure you're aware of that part. And then the remote does require a battery itself too, so that's included with it. 2 of those handheld ribbons, all right, nylon ribbons. So we're gonna set up batteries for it, all right, and just make sure you're aware that it does not come with the batteries. So just make sure you put your AA batteries in here, and this is pretty much set to go. Now this module goes on top of the actual, if you guys can see, just loosen this part up, you can put it on top, or if you have a tripod that has that connection, you can also do it through there too. Put that in there. We're gonna go ahead and connect these wires because this is compatible to my camera. You guys can see I do have an input right here. It gives you the input information here. We're going to grab this one right here, put it in here. This one connects in the back, all right? That's connected. Now I'm going to turn this on. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. We're going to go ahead and replace the battery. We're going to add the battery in here. I like that they include everything that you see in here because the batteries are hard to find, these little batteries sometimes. So we have the remote here. Look at this. Focus. And then you could take 2-second pictures. There it is. It's working. You could change to different modes. Hold it. Takes a picture. Release. Move it around. Focus. Picture. Now we're going to put the camera on because right now I have it in film. But the camera, you turn it on. Take a picture. There you go. Picture 1. So you're standing away from it. Picture 2. 2 seconds. We're going to put 2 seconds on this one. Push a button. It's green. Takes a picture. There you go. That's pretty much it. The whole object, the whole system. Works very well. If you guys can see that, it hangs on top of it. You could be in a distance. You could see yourself. Take a picture of yourself. Just hold on the button. Look at that. Take another picture. I'm smiling. 2-second picture. So this is 2 seconds. There's no indication in front of it that's blinking. If you guys can see, it's facing. But what you can do, you can twist this. You can twist this. So you can twist this the other way too. And then you can see the light from a distance. You can do that. Take a picture. See how it's focusing? It focusing. Hit 1, focus. If I move around here, it won't find me. But if I do that because of my eye, take a picture. And that's it. 2-second picture. 2 seconds. And there is the picture right there. 2 seconds on it. So this is very convenient. You can see the actual light now. See the light? Now, if you're facing it this way, this is going to be working. Now, for that direction, I'm going to switch this into this side so I don't have to break it. But overall, it's working very well. Perfect for those that have a Canon machine, a Canon camera. I actually own 3 of them. I love this camera. I do have a Sony too. But this has been one of my old favorite ones that I always go to. This is the one that started me on YouTube, started my task of buying these kind of cameras. I got it for Father's Day. It's sentimental. I'm never going to get rid of it. Even though the quality is not 4K, it's something that you just keep. And you add devices like this, makes it even longer, keep it longer. So this is perfect to take to the park and take pictures with your dogs, your cats, and so forth. Something that you need to be away from instead of hitting the 2 seconds from a distance. This is a perfect way to do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.